Welcome to qnawire.
To construct a confidence interval for the population proportion P of new car buyers who prefer foreign cars over domestic, we can use a formula for a confidence interval, which is going to be P hat plus or minus the critical Z times the square root of P hat times 1 minus P hat over N. P hat is the sample proportion that prefer foreign cars. And given that N is 897 and P hat would be the 593 out of the 897, and this is about 0.6611. Then our confidence interval is, I'm going to keep it exact in my calculation, 593 out of 897. Plus or minus a critical Z for 95% is 1.96. And this will have a lower boundary of, when we subtract, .6301, and an upper boundary from adding 0.6921.